The series of storms has increased the risk of landslides. We've already seen some significant issues near state highways. KOMO senior reporter Chris Daniels was at that slide spot today. He's back now in West Seattle, where there have been slides in the past, Chris.
Yeah, Steve, we've seen a fair amount of rain and the wind right now here in West Seattle. It's been surprising. We haven't seen anybody out here from the city of Seattle doing any sort of mitigation effort as that wind is now rocking here near Alki Point. I did hear from the state's Department of Natural Resources and the USGS, though, that told me that the region is now prone for slides. A brief rainbow stands tall over West Seattle as a new concern rests on the surface.
It's really about the soil being so saturated that trees that are, either older or just starting to sway back and forth may actually come down.
The string of storms helped to prompt one slide off I-90. Saturated soil in the raging South Fork of the Snoqualmie River appears to have led to the undercutting of the hillside supporting the freeway and the closure of a couple of eastbound lanes as a result.
The data shows us that we've had a lot of rain, that those rainfall amounts exceed the threshold that we've seen with past landslide events.
Ben Mirus is a geologist with the USGS Landslide Hazards Program and says this chart shows how the groundwater levels have spiked near Mukilteo, and yet another shows the soil is very wet.
The Antecedent Wetness Index, AWI, is just a simple bucket model for how rapidly the soils wet up and drain out in response to precipitation.
The exposed hillsides, like the ones here near Alki Point in West Seattle, are a significant risk. In fact, there have been dozens of landslides here in the past. The city of Seattle says 8.4% of the city's surface is slide prone. And while retention walls have been built over the years to prevent future slides, it wasn't clear if any mitigation work was being done after this trifecta of atmospheric rivers.
I haven't seen any crews out here today, but yeah, we're keeping a close eye on everything and just making sure we have our, backup generator and candles and flashlights and all that good stuff.
Leduc says it is important to be prepared after a week's worth of wind and rain and potentially storms in the near future. I did hear back from the Washington State Department of Natural Resources here in the last hour. They told me they had geologists up and down the I-5 corridor today inspecting hillsides, and they have particular concern in Skagit County near Concrete, with the weather not expected to be favorable on Tuesday or Wednesday. That's the story live tonight on a windy Alki Point in West Seattle. I'm Chris Daniels, KOMO News.
Chris, thank you.